probably should be shot for admitting this, but this is my favorite kind of accounting problem. I don't know why. I just think it's fun. I know. I probably need a life. Got it. Okay. Here's the deal. This company bought these three items. The independent fair value of these three items is $700,000. But they got a deal. They only paid $600,000. Now, we cannot in good faith just say, well, we'll pay these two and say that was zero, because that's not the case. So what we need to do is we need to allocate a percentage of each of these against the $600,000 to record the correct amount. So the amount of the basket purchase was $600,000. That's not going to change. That's what we paid. That was $600,000 out of our pocket. $175,000 of this $700,000 goes to the land. $455,000 of this $700,000 goes to the building, and $70,000 of this $700,000 goes to the equipment. We need to convert each of those to a percentage. Simply divide the bottom number into the top number, and we find that this is 25% of the purchase was for the land. We find that 65% of the purchase was for the building, and 10% of the purchase was for the equipment. And if God is in her heaven and all is right with the world, that adds up to 100%, and it does. Okay, now we simply multiply those two numbers. So the amount we record for the equipment was $60,000. The amount we record for the building is 65% of $600,000, $390,000. And the amount we record for the land is 25% of $600,000, or $150,000. So we have allocated the costs based on the percentage of the original price. So we took this divided by this, and then we took this divided by this. I'm glad there's not more things here, or I'd run out of colors. And we took this divided by this. Each of those gave us our percentages, and we used those percentages, multiplied those against the purchase price, and that gave us the recorded amount. And this amount is the amount that will go in the balance sheet with regard to building and equipment. This is the amount that will be depreciated. The land, of course, has no definite life, so it will not be depreciated. But these are the balance sheet numbers. These are the capitalizable costs for this basket purchase.